Welcome to U Prime Podcast. These are a bunch of podcasts that we're doing that should be in the public domain. These are being done for the public interest. So we get started with the opening podcast.
So you said Von Neumann actually gave a structure to it, and then when you said Von Neumann gave a structure to it.
Yeah. So Von Neumann Oskar Morgenstein is an economist who worked with Von Neumann, and they came up with the initial paper in 1928 called the Theory of Games and Economic Behavior, and they wrote a detailed treatise on in 1944. And economics handles uncertainty, or the idea of uncertainty exists in economics. So you want to know how to handle it in a theoretical framework, in a scheme of sorts. And Von Neumann was of the opinion that you should think of, at the time in the 1920s or in 30s, there was a view that a lot of calculus-based mathematics has permeated economics, but a lot of the economics questions are wrong and not consistent throughout the scheme. So what he said in the beginning of the preface that he wrote in the book is that a lot of the economic questions are posed in a wrong manner. So he said, let's take up economic behavior that is very much known to everyone, like individual behavior, like two people meeting in an actual discussion and having a negotiation over a price of a commodity, simple things that anyone can understand. So you build theory from that point onwards, as opposed to directly deal with countries and national policies, things which are very abstract in nature, for which you don't have a real empirical basis. So he said, let's take up individual behavior of consumers and deal with it. Thanks everyone for watching the podcast. I hope you had a good time understanding and listening to all these things. Hope you come back and watch more.